welcome back to a brand new Roblox video, and today I'm here with Val.
Yes, and I got a new avatar.
Yep. And we are playing Baldi's Obby. Let's read what this guy says. Baldi has lost his mind. We've got to escape. How can we escape?
He's already safe.
By completing the obby. Alright, let's go. Oh my gosh. Yeah, like why would they need to make him? Oh my gosh. Hey Val, can I lead the way in this obby? Crash. I almost said, well, I only say Crash and Flower and Marigold. Why do I keep getting this red plaid shirt? Alright, one of these has to be the door. Oh. Okay, so it has to be this one.
Oh my god, doing that shit. Go for the stop. Go for the middle one, John.
I did it!
This one. I was right. What happened?
I don't think you were right. It's a trick! It's a trick! Also, Val, I thought you said I could lead the way. Oh, I made it! I got it! Alright, Val, I thought you said I could lead the way.
What? We're going at the same time. Use the camera trick. Found it.
Oh, it's the middle one.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm using the camera trick for this one.
Jack, camera trick doesn't work. Look.
Oh, so we have to literally just guess. It's this one.
Yeah. No, that way. That way. Okay, this one. Middle. Then this one. And then this. By the way, guys, I'm back.
How did I just die?
Touch the red moon. Now look into the game.
Also, Val, can I lead the way since... Oh, crap, crap, crap! Ah!
Oh, someone else.
Why do I keep dying? I don't touch it.
Keep on the spot with the big one. You're stuck on the spot with the thin one.
How did I just die? I didn't touch it and stop giving me this thing. I don't want it!
Jack. Step on one, jump over.
I am!
After this, I have a very scary game that we can play.
Ugh! How do I keep dying? How is that possible?
Jack.
Hey, Val? What?
Yeah.
What? I just keep dying. Like, how is this even possible? I'm not even touching the lava.
I have a very scary game that we can play after this obby.
Are we gonna get eaten by Baldi? Oh, holy heck, we are. Oh! Alright, follow me! Us cookies. Cookies. Why is this person here? Was he trying to mess me up? Alright, follow me!
Wait, Jack. Jack, I have a question.
What?
What kind of cat am I?
You're ginger cat.
What kind of cat am I?
Well, how do you expect me to know this?
I was just taking a guess. Well, you were taking a guess. I don't even know what cat I actually am.
Oh crap, I almost just died. Did you see that? We're climbing up his spine. I don't get how Baldi doesn't feel this.
Wait for me.
I'm gonna wait up on the top. Why do I keep getting this thing? I don't want it.
I'm about to fall.
Ew!
We're going down to exit 2.
Ew! Ew! No! Ew! I died on it!
Oh, I did it! I did it!
Ew! 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 Alright, follow me. Follow me. Oh, we're doing it! Ah!
How did I die? No!
I didn't!
Wait for me. This shirt is gonna mess me up. Okay, I made it. Oh look, it's Baldi who got arrested.
Wait, can I see?
I'm gonna slap Baldi.
Hey Val, you should do a part 2 of Baldi's basics. Also, you should check on Baldi's basics video. It's a pretty good video. Val, there's paths over here.
I know. You wanna go play my
Alright, I just gotta end this video off here. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it off here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!